Welcome to Goodman Outdoor TV. Today I'll be cleaning my air rifle. I'll be showing you how I clean my air rifle. I clean it once a year. Air rifles you don't have to clean after every time you use them. There is no powder, there's no burn. Unlike firearms, you have to clean after each use. So today I'll be using cleaning rods. They are just for 22 caliber. What I have, cleaning rods, you can come in different sizes for different calibers of air rifle, firearm, whatever. But I use a stiff one. I've grown up with them, so I'm used to using them. But you do not use a metal brush on your air rifles. It's a softer metal than a firearm. Firearms it's a hardened steel. Air rifles are a little bit more of a mild steel, but I use a brush, a soft brush. But with that, I also use little cleaning pads that I use Bright Bore from Remington. I'm trying that for the first time. It's supposed to help remove lead and stuff. So let's get to it. I'm cleaning my Beemen Grizzly 22 caliber air rifle, made in China. It's a Sportsman RS2 series. Bad thing about air rifles, you got this one, the break barrels, you got a cock, and then you don't have to worry about stuff. Alright, put it on the end, drip some of this on here, and all over me, I guess. Always keep an extra rag around. That's just great. Grab the air rifle, grab that, shove it in slowly. Don't force it, you'll break the rod. Then you take your handle and you push it down there till it comes out. And you do it, 4 or 5 times, 10 times.
Just shove it in, pops up.
See, it comes out pretty nasty. So some people ask me why I don't use cleaning pellets. Well, my thing about cleaning pellets is with these springers and break barrels, you can break them because of the pellet gives it a little bit of pressure to shoot, and the pellets are so light. The cleaning pellets are so light I'm afraid that you're gonna take that, pretend this is a piston, you cock it, and you put something light in the barrel. That, with a pellet, the little piston will come in and slowly hit. But with that, it'll just hit against something, hit against itself really hard, and might break. I mean, granted, this was only $120, but still, I don't want to break it. Alright. Looks clean to me. I wish I could get the camera to focus in on that. But it's nice and bright and clean. Last thing to do is put a pellet in it, shoot. We're good. Alright. And also what I also do is take clean cloth, wipe this off, and a little ball bearing sides, and it comes out pretty dirty. Now this one, I use some of this My Airgun oil and re-wipe on there, and you just want to keep that kind of shiny, and that O-ring is very important. That's what keeps the air in when you're shooting or going down the barrel. And just wipe it off. And just give everything a good clean while you have it like this. And that's it. And that's how I clean my air rifles. Have a wonderful day. If you like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so every time I post, you'll get notified. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.